Okay, so here you can see what I'm talking about with cottonwood and how it likes to chip out. I'm never going to be able to get the same kind of sharp edge on this one as I did on the basswood. We'll still go ahead and finish it, see what we can get out of it. But that is one of the downfalls of carving cottonwood bark, is it does not hold small detail like this very well at all. So here you can really see the issues that happen trying to keep small detail in cottonwood bark. It's just flaking away on me every time I try to make these kind of feathers in the owl. And so for a small whittle like this, your basswood is almost always a better bet if you're hoping to hold small details like feathers and little eye pieces and things. You can see I kind of lost the right eye here too.